Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump start Porsche 911. Keep both cars off and wheels straight, then set parking brake and engage hazard lights. Confirm both batteries are 12-volt and that terminals are clean. Position booster vehicle nose to nose with safe clearance. Use quality jumper cables and maintain firm clamps. Connect positive then negative in correct order and start donor car first, then the Porsche. Place jumper cables so they do not touch moving parts when engines run. Start with red to positive on the Porsche battery, then red to positive on the donor battery, keeping clamps separated. Next, connect black to donor negative terminal and the final black clamp to a solid metal ground on the Porsche away from the battery. Double-check clamps are tight. Start the donor vehicle and let it run a few minutes before cranking the Porsche. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy snacks and drip-free lunches when I'm working on cars or traveling. They make roadside repairs less messy and meals easier. They're sturdy, leak-proof, and ideal for weekend drives in the Porsche. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the donor car idles for a few minutes, try starting the Porsche 911 while both cars are still running. If it does not start right away, wait and try again, avoiding repeated long cranking attempts. When the Porsche fires, keep both engines running and remove clamps in reverse order: black from chassis ground, black from donor, red from Porsche. Allow the Porsche to run to restore charge fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.